Bruce, ready to do the zip line. Go from up there to over here.
I'm gonna do a song called Ndimwana Wenu. This is a song I wrote. It's in my language, Bemba. I'm from Zambia. Shani ba Zambia ngamule umfachili shani yuko. Because I know I got some people in Zambia listening right now. So mulishani ba Zambia mule umfabu inoko. So this song is called Ndimwana Wenu. It basically means I'm your child, and it's just a song talking about how destiny, God, the energy, whatever you want to call it, moves us from different places. We all belong to something greater than what we are, what we think we are, and that's my belief anyway. Right. And so I'm talking about that. I was like, I'm a child. In my case, I say I'm a child of God, and so here's a song called Ndimwana Wenu. Mwamfunishe kubupina mwamfunishe ukwabule chiwote mwamfunishe kubupina lesai nimwemweka tutai nimweka mfunga ndimwana wenu. Mwandetele kubunonshi mwandetele ukwafule fisuma mwandetele ukwawama saye imwemweka tataye imweka mfunga ndimwana wenu ndimwana wenu.
Thank you.
Yes,
I'll find you downstairs. Bruce, you gonna fit in there? Nice and snug? Bruce looks more comfortable than I do. It said Bruce looks more comfortable than I do. No, I'm good. All right. You ready, Bruce? Thumbs up. Thanks, man. Ready, Bruce? You're beating me already! Bruce, you're beating me! have to buy lunch. Dude, well, they're booked up for today. So I was asking you yesterday, because they only had like a couple of openings left. Appreciate it, man. Heck yeah. Dude, I saw your beanie just fly. I was like, no!
It was my beanie. Now it's the river. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, it's alright. It happens.
Yeah.
It's all the price of having fun.
You made some fish a very happy fish.
Yeah, I did. Or it'll wash up and someone will find it and they'll get a cool Green Lantern hook for me.
Alright, man. Down the stairs and we're good. Later.
Have a good day.
Oh, we have photos?
You just take it down to that boathouse and scan out one of those monitors and do the plasma. Nice.
Cool. Oh,
That was awesome. Thanks, man.
sweet. Appreciate it.
Fucking invincible, dude.
You were hauling butt. I was like so far behind you, man. You just like took off like a rocket. Like we started out nice and tied, and then then out of nowhere you just like sped up.
It was worth losing my beanie for.
What are we doing with this stuff?
We'd give it to them and we'd
Inside?
Yeah.
In here?
So fun.
Is it in here, Bruce?
Yeah.
Jeez. I'll get you a souvenir.
It's dead sexy right there. Because it just brings it out, dude. Just bam. I zipline.
Nice.
That's what that says.
Is that what that says?
No, but that's what it says to me.